What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today I'm doing a review on the Surphy Silicone case. I got two of these bad boys because they're the same. I'm gonna put them in the same video because there's no point in doing separate videos on these. They're the same, they're just different colors. But if you're just tuning into this series, this week I'm doing a series of videos on the best iPhone 13 Pro Max cases. Now these phones, and well, not the phones, but the case is considered the best due to several different reasons, and you'll see those reasons in each case video. But it ranges from protection, price, the overall style and look of it, and as far as like MagSafe and wireless charging. That's what I'm here to provide. So you can see I kind of decked out my stuff right here. But I'm gonna keep these videos short and sweet. I'm gonna keep them to about 3 to 4 minutes because I'm not trying to bore you. I'm trying to bring you in and suck you in. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm just trying to keep your attention. That's it. That's it. Like I said, these are the Surphy Silicone cases. These are about $16.99 on Amazon. Very reasonable price. I went ahead and got some stickers. These are silicone, so they kind of look plain outside of me putting these stickers on here. So I just went on Amazon, bought some stickers and put them on here just to customize and make it my own, because it was like a blank canvas to me. Y'all know your boy's a little bit of an artist, so I see the blank canvas, I want to fill it up with stuff. So I bought some stickers, put them on there, and I think it looks cool. So without any further ado, we're gonna snap this on here. Boom. These do not have the MagSafe ring inside. Looks like it might because it's kind of thick, but it doesn't. So when you grip this thing, because it's very grippy, it's gonna feel very protected. It protects your camera lens. As you can see, individual cutouts for every component of that camera setup. You have the cutout for your power button, your volume up and down, and then your switch to turn your volume on and off. And if you turn to the side right here, you can see that this is very well raised, so protects your edges, which is great. So like I said, this does not have MagSafe, so I'd be surprised if this actually sticks. It sticks a little bit, but when you do the shake test, it comes right off. So don't rely on this magnet to stick all the way through because it is not. But let's check the wireless charging. Boom, you got wireless charging, so that is great. This is definitely good for protection. I would say it's up there with protection, but just for poops and giggles, we're gonna throw on the other color. So same thing, just a different look. If you guys are feeling the look, let me know in the comments, because I think I did a good job of customizing this and making my own. You got the little Jordan astronaut, Space Jam, just a little something soft, just a little something soft. Anyways, I really like this case. Definitely recommend if you want to customize it. I'll probably, do that first, because the plain look is just a little bit too plain to me. But hey, that might be your thing, not mine. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video in this series of bangers. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.